Anything is possible. Every time we dream of a new goal, we plant a little seed in the universe. Focusing on thinking about and expecting that goal to come true are all the same as watering that seed. As we apply more thoughts to the goal, shoots finally begin to sprout and push out of the ground. But too often, it's at this point that we suddenly change our mind. When we do that, we simply chop down those very same shoots. No beautiful plant will grow. All we have done is wasted our time and effort and gone back to the beginning. Remember, for any of us, anything is possible, so long as we desire it strongly enough, believe in it, and take those steps inspired by our desires towards our chosen goals.